Pamper with me here sa nagtitrending na skincare clinic in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Pinadayo ito ng mga influencers, so since it's my first time getting these treatments, I decided na dito na sa Beauty and Beyond Skincare and Nails. Aside from quality services that they offer, super affordable pa dahil naka 50% off discount sila. Namit ko din ang owner nila na si Ma'am Lara, super bait, very hands-on and accommodating. She's also their esthetician. Super chill lang ng ambience dito, perfect na perfect para sa mga gustong mag-relax. Sa next room naman, makikita niyo ang mga equipment na ginagamit nila for their treatments. No need to worry dahil lahat ng services nila ay 100% guaranteed safe. Una kong inavail ang Pico Carbon Laser and here are the benefits. Next is whitening laser. Same benefits lang siya ng Pico but this one is more on whitening. And lastly, Glutadrip. Super gaan ng kamay ni Ma'am Lara so no hassle talaga sa lahat ng treatment. So happy and so satisfied with the results. Discover your inner glow here at Beauty and Beyond Skincare and Nails.